Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Wix Payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Wix Payments, start by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to your dashboard. Locate the Finances tab on the left side of the screen. Click on Finances to open the financial settings. Select Wix Payments from the menu options. In the Wix Payments section, look for the Payouts tab. Click on Payouts to view your available balance. Review your current balance to ensure you have funds to withdraw. Click the Withdraw button. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the options provided. If you select a bank transfer, enter your bank account details as prompted. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. For PayPal withdrawals, log into your PayPal account when prompted. Confirm the withdrawal amount you wish to transfer. Review any fees associated with your chosen withdrawal method. Once you are ready, click on the Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation notification about your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your payout status. Withdrawals usually take a few business days to process. If you have any questions, visit the Help Center for more information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.